Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing Wordle and some of its other variants. You can see I have many tabs. I have Wordle, Dordle, which is 2 Wordles at once, Quartle, which is 4 at once, Sodordle, which is 16 at once, Crosswordle, that one's a little bit different, we'll get into it, Nerdle, which is math equations, Passwordle, which is basically impossible. It's probably the only one on the list that I might not get today, Global, which is countries, and Wordle, which is also countries, Worldle. Yeah, it's a little bit. That one's difficult to say, which is also countries. I haven't done any of these today. I do the Wordle every single day. I try and do all of them every single day, although I end up skipping a couple of them. I'm just showing you all of the variations of them. So, with the Wordle of the day, I always like to start with my starting word is Louis because it has every vowel pretty much, and the other word I like to go with is trans because that also gets a lot of very used letters. R, S, T, N, L, E are the most used kind of letters and the most used consonants. And then you also have every vowel possible, which we have every single one. I want to go with urine, but there's no U. So we can go grind. That's not a word. Prine, is that a word? I don't think that's a word. Brine? Brine is a word. There we go. Wordle in 3 guesses. So that was pretty good. Apparently I've done it before on this. I don't remember when. Okay, Dordle. 2 words at once. I like to go with my friend's strat that he made up. He goes fable. Then he does the word, what, trick, I think? I think it's trick. Yeah, trick is it. And then I want to say it's drops. And then I think he goes with the word vugi. I don't know if that, it did count as a word. It just has 0 ones in it. So the one on the right, I'm pretty sure is DRN? Drone? Drone, okay. One on the left. The other one could be, I feel like there's a repeating one. Again, I'm trying to do this without any, all on camera, so you guys get to see my full process. Might need to do a kind of like a filler word to get more letters. I normally don't do Dordles of the day. I kind of skip these. I prefer the Quartle of the day. I think it's probably the best one out of the multiple Wordles at once, because 2 is kind of easy. They also give you multiple attempts to get the word, a lot more than you need, in my opinion. Is it Nice? It is. Okay, I figured it was a double. So yeah, that's the Dordle for you. It's a good trick there is to kind of use a lot of filler words instead of trying to do kind of what I did here. I know people might cringe on you for using starting words, but yeah, I think it's kind of part of the game. We have the Quirtle. You can also abuse very good starting words. I like to use brick, glent, and then the word jumpy. Now this is where it really gets insane. You can use the word Voz HD and Wakafasa. I didn't even know those were words, so that's where we're at. And then what I do with the multiple ones like this, I look for ones that I can easily get, like this one on the top right, which is clearly hasty. Wow, we have a lot of H's. The bottom right one is hunky, and then the bottom left one is, what is it? Heath? Is that a word? It is. And the top one is Inkel? Is that a word? That's a word. Is there any repeating? It could be that. Oh wait, it could also be this. Is there any repeating there? See, that's what I don't like on this, is because I don't know which one it is. I've never heard of Inkle. I've heard of lichen. Like and subscribe, guys. We're going with lichen. Yes! Let's go. Yet to fail so far. Okay, Sodordle. Here we go. Again, this is where you can abuse the same strat of brick, glent, jumpy, Voz HD, Wakafasa, and bam. Now you're pretty much good to solve all of the Dordles. Or what? All of the Sodordles. Top left one, I want to say is rogue. It is. Second one, not entirely getting good letters. CO. Yeah, I'm not sure right off the bat, so it doesn't matter. We can skip it, go to one that we know. This third one here, I want to say is tough. Tough, okay. This fourth one, P-O, soppy? P-O, poise. Is that a word? Yes, it is. Okay, I've heard that before. Whoa, this one down here seems very doable. I want to say gummy. The only problem is this strat uses every letter except for X. It doesn't use X, so something to keep in mind if you guys want to abuse the ever-living daylights out of this strat. Low, I don't know this one either. There's an A. Low ras? Low ras. Is that a word? It says it's a word. I don't think it is, but we're gonna see if there's a better word. This one down here, I have a lot of green. Let's try with that. Oh, it's going. Okay. See, again, with this one, you can kind of pick and choose which ones to go for. I personally don't do this, the Dordle. I think it's overwhelming. It takes too long. I like the Quirtle. That's the one, again, my favorite one out of the multiple ones. This one we have, like, no information on. It's none. Like, literally none. Wow, so it must only have V's, E's, and R's. Interesting. This one down here, I want to say is raspy. Nice. Just looking for ones that have a lot of green in it. What about this one up here I skipped a while ago? It's a lot of R's, some S. Is it sugar? No, why would I say that? It's C. Normally there's going to be R. Is it? What other letters are there? There's a C. Wait, what? I don't actually know this one. Course. Normally they don't end with an S, yeah, and this one doesn't. What other one is there? This one, I have some more greens on it. E. There's an E in it. Is there multiple? Is there repeating? There is a repeating. S-E. Is it S-C? It's invalid guess. Okay. Is it essay? I think I still have an essay I need to type for school, actually. But this is more important to me. It's not that long. I only have like a paragraph to go. I'm getting distracted. This one over here has L-O. Again, this is what the problem. If you've ever watched someone do a Wordle, you probably are you rage at watching them. Oh, solar, duh. Ooh, we've gotten some more over here. S. It's not O, so it's S-C-O-U-R. Scour. Oh, duh. Over here we haven't really got anything. There's a T-A. There's an H in this. H-H-H-E-R. What can this respell to? Hatter? Hater, duh. Hatter. Hater, okay. Okay, we have some more over here as well. So this one is B-R. B-R-O-A. Is there a D in this? There is a D. Broad. Nice. S-S-K. Oh, this is skill. Nice. Because my strat I'm using is a lot of skill, most likely. I personally don't like playing the Wordle of the day like this. I think the Wordle of the day is sacred, and I always like try and do it. That's why I use the strat I use. It still is kind of cheaty, but it's still like you actually get to play the game so much. Like this is kind of over the top. Is this a cell? How do you spell L? Ooh, this might be a difficult one to get. I might say that to the end. And this one as well. It's only V. It's only VR. It's only V. Ver. That's my guess. Ver. Ooh, this is gonna be a hard one. Veer. Can't be that. Can't. It ends with an E. Okay, so maybe 2 R's here. It could also have an X, but I don't know why it would have an X. Vexer? No, I got it wrong. Okay, that was a dumb guess. I got excited there. But, yeah, so the problem with the strat that you do on the Sodordle is I think that you don't have enough. Oh, you will. Never mind. I'll probably be able to get Vexer again. With the Quirtle, though, if you use the Brick, Glent, Jumpy, Vaz, whatever the strat I've been using, you only have, like, one failsafe. You don't have a failsafe, is what I'm saying. You have to get it in the 4 guesses, kind of like we did here. So this one I thought you didn't, so that's why I got really upset there. But, no, you actually have plenty. Is this Pete? T? Oh, it's teepee, duh. Teepee. You know, those forts that you build. This is, I actually don't know. Oh, there's an X in this, so it's is Excel. I was thinking it was bad luck. You guessed 14 out of 16 words correctly. Oh, wait, there is a limit. My bad. For some reason, I thought there wasn't. So, yeah, the only one I didn't get was this one up here. So, actually, the whole strat doesn't work, believe it or not, because I really only got one wrong. So, if I did get that one correct, I'd have no more guesses. So, because I missed this top right one and then this one here. So, yeah, that is on me, I guess. I, for some reason, thought, yeah, no. I wonder what this word was. What was this word? V-E, and it ends with a what, an E? So it's, because there's no X in it. What is this word? I have no idea. Do I get the C? No, there's not. There's an octortal. I've never heard of that. I also didn't put it on my list. Should I just try it now? Why not? Let's go for it. How many is this? 8, I assume? Let's do the daily octortal. How many is this? Jeez. Okay, let's do the same strat. I didn't know this was 1. This is unplanned, so we're going for it. I also forgot jumpy. There we go. Okay, this one up here is easy. Graft. That one's nice. I've never heard of graft. What is a graft? I know what a graph is. This has got a lot of yellows. I don't like risking it unless I absolutely know, because a lot of the times this strat doesn't work 100%. Prawn. Isn't that like a deer or something? Okay. Getting distracted. I'm trying to figure out what these words mean, because a lot of them I've never heard. Pagan. I don't know this one either. Probably should know it. I'd probably get it after time, but I don't like to think too much. Garg. Gagray. Gagger? Gager. What? Oh, there's a Y. I'm stupid. Oh, I think I'm okay, though. Maybe. I don't know. So it's, gayer. Interesting. This one's was waste. Waste. Okay, where was that one? I skipped what? Oh, I skipped a lot. Yeah, I think I didn't. I think I failed on this. Yeah. You have to get this perfectly as well. That's unfortunate. Okay. This is pubic. Nice. And what else? Yeah, I didn't get this one. So this one has a V in it. So let's go for this one. It seems harder. It's stave, right? Stave. It was. Okay, it was stave, and then I missed what? Slush. I think I didn't get. Yeah. Again, so that's those for you. I did not know the octortal was 1, so that's 1. I assume that's 8. So yeah, we have the Dordle with 2, Quordle with 4, Octortle with 8, Sedordle with 16, and the Crosswordle. This is my favorite spinoff more than the Quordle. I think it's cool. You work backwards, so you know that the final word is abode, and you have to get the filling in ones. So we're gonna try and do one that doesn't repeat. What's a word? A door? Oh no, that's already been full. Oh, is this a word? A go. That works. Perfect. So then this, we know, has to be an E. And sadly, you can't do like a B, because the B would have to be used. It's like really strict rules. You're not allowed to repeat it. I highly suggest trying this one. I would put a here and an O here. Canoe? Canoe works? Okay. And then this has to be an O, and this has to be an A. I'm not exactly sure what to go from here. O and A. Could this be an E? This could be an E, right? Yeah. I'm trying petal. That's not how you spell petal. Petal. Okay, so far so good. Now we just need to kill some words. See, now here you have to just do ones that don't spell. I have U and I to kill. Can I do word vugi from before? I've repeated it down here, so it won't work. What's one? A door. I already tried that. A four. That works. And now I have an I, an M. Wimps. Metal. That doesn't work. Get rid of the M. Swiss. Perfect. That was fast. Let's go. 140. Okay. And then they also get to see another solution, so you can see theirs was loyal, motel. There's a ton of ideas. The idea up here is to try and use ones that repeat a lot, like fluff has the same letter repeated. Same thing with thigh. So you don't have to use them down here. So yeah, that was a good one. Nerdle. This one is probably one of my more least favorite ones. You have to try and do a math equation. So we'll do this. 80 plus what? Try and do 82 equals, and then whatever that equals, 96. It has to be a valid equation as well. Even a 4. So there was no plus sign. We should try a minus. Minus, what letters have we not done? 53. What is 84 minus 53? Is what, 31? It's a good one to drill for. 84 was correct, and there was a minus sign. We should try divide. I don't think it would be multiply, because 84 multiplied by anything is a lot. Again, we're just testing for divide. Divided by what? There's a 6 in it. 6 is equal to what? What's 84 divided by 6? Is that what? 14, right? 84. Let's test. 84 divided by 16 is 14. Yeah, so it's 14. So minus what? 6? What's that? 84 minus is 14. What is 8, right? Is 8 still 1? 8 is also, it could be repeat. Dude, I'm a genius. I'm so smart. Wow, that was a good one. I normally don't get the nurdles that quick. I just got a really lucky second guess there. And I was figuring the numbers repeated, so that was good. This is the one I have very high likelihoods to. This isn't a word, it's a password. So you literally have to type like every single digit until you get it. So that's what we're going to try and do. There's no right or reason to it. My friends and I have been able to do this once in our entire lives, and that's because we had 4 different phones who all tried it, and we were able to compare the info on all of them. So yeah, this is pretty much impossible to get. It's just one that you do for fun. I don't think it is possible to get unless you cheat it, and even so, it still doesn't seem possible. Okay, so I've done pretty much everything. See, this is the thing. You could be screwed if you don't have all of it. So you use your first couple guesses just trying to get all of it. And then we should try some of the other letters that we've gotten. So A, B, 0, or not that, 0, D, 5, and we'll do the $sign. Wow, that was so helpful. So now we know it's R, I don't know, Z. We have no information for anything. The B could be here, I don't know, F. We could put the M over here. I don't think any of the numbers repeat, which is nice. So we'll put the $sign here. We don't have a 0. We'll throw that in there. The comma can go here. Let's put the Z and then also the D over here. The 5 has to go here and the C here. Let's go for it. Oh man, that was a pity. The correct guess was something else. I also can't even X out of this. Well, that's the passwordle for you. There's no right or reason to it. It's just random ones. The Global, another one I play daily, along with the Wordle. I actually enjoy it. I actually have a starting one, is Austria. I always like to go with Austria. It's kind of a middle country. The fact that it's light orange, though, means it's further away. So I like to go Cuba, if it's further away. Further away than that. Let's go Bangladesh. It might be on the other side of the world. No, I think it might be in Africa somewhere. We'll go Congo, since that's the middle of Africa. It is probably in Africa. We'll go, what, Somalia on the western side, or the eastern side? It's probably down here. Let's go Zambia. It's not that. One thing I forgot to mention about the Global, you have unlimited guesses. Let's go Zimbabwe. Nope. Let's go Uganda. Not that. Let's go, what's another country that's nearby? Rwanda? Is it Rwanda? No. What's another country that's near this? Mozambique. It's not that either. What's another one? Tanzania? Is that one? It is. Okay, there we go. That was a mystery country. I was trying to think of the one that was right there, but couldn't remember. Wordle. I also like this one. This one gives you the outline of the country. This one you only have 6 guesses, but it tells you how far you are away. We can go with Austria. Again, that's my starting guess. That's obviously not the shape of Austria, but I don't really know what country that's the shape of. It's south, so it might be another African country. Let's go Ghana. And it's just to the west of that. What's a country to the west? See, I can look at the globe here. So it's somewhere over here. What's that one? What's that country called? Burkina Faso? I don't know how you say that. That's also to the east. Oh, was this farther away? Oh, this is on the other side of Ghana. My bad. What's another one? Is it Libya? No, that's up at the top. I'm trying to think of African countries. I don't know enough of them. Is this one? Is that it? Oh, I just clicked the link. I opened Google Maps. Was it Cameroon? It was. Nice. All right, well, that was a 20-minute video of me doing all the Wordle spin-offs. Again, if you liked any of these, again, I highly recommend checking them out. Try to actually maybe do the ones correctly. Especially these two, you have to do flawlessly. So, again, yeah, check them out if you're bored one day. Again, daily puzzles, so check them out. That's all from me, guys. Link to my main channel will be in the description. Check it out. I actually make videos over there. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more.